Hello and welcome to the Jewish Museum London. Just like you don't have to be a scientist to visit the Science Museum, you don't have to be Jewish to come to the Jewish Museum. So let's go and explore together. Although it looks really small from the outside, it's actually surprisingly big on the inside. Today we're going to guide you through the museum before your class comes to visit us. We have 5 really exciting galleries to show you. Keep your eyes open for clues as to some of the activities you might be doing when you come to visit us. So, first things first. When you arrive, you'll pass our friendly security guards who will help your teacher sign in with us. As you're probably in a large group, if you line up here, we'll be able to get to the fun stuff quicker. After signing in, you'll meet with your learning officer who will be teaching you interesting and fun things and guiding you around the museum. Top tip. Look out for our volunteers. They'll be wearing a special badge. They are all around the museum and they'll be able to answer any questions that you have. Welcome Gallery Gift Shop. As you walk into the museum, on your left is the Welcome Gallery, where we have an exciting new exhibition every few months. And on your right, we have the gift shop that perhaps you can visit during lunch or after your workshop in small groups with your teacher. Facilities, lift and stairs. Jewish Museum London is welcome to everybody. If you need to avoid using our stairs for any reason, we have a lift and can help you whenever you need. Facilities, cafe. You've probably brought a vegetarian lunch with you today, so you shouldn't need to use our cafe. But teachers, don't fret, tea and coffee could be purchased in our cafe and enjoyed in the learning spaces. Good to note, food and drink is not allowed in our galleries as it helps us to protect our artefacts. Facilities, toilets. We have toilets on the ground floor that your teachers can take you to in small groups. The girls' toilets are right next to our Bakers Union banner. And round the corner, right next to the mikveh, are the boys' toilets and a fully accessible toilet. Facilities, cloakroom. We have cloakroom facilities inside the auditorium where a volunteer will be on hand to help you drop off your bag and coats. So let's start with the auditorium. The auditorium is a space to handle real museum objects, watch films, and take part in craft activities. To help you explore everything the museum has to offer, we'll divide you into groups here. Usually we split into 2 or 3 groups, with about 20 in each group. You may even be hearing from a speaker as part of your visit. Sometimes they'll be sharing very personal stories with you, so be sure to listen carefully. Top tip. If you are hearing from a speaker, try to think of some questions that you would like to ask them. Now, let's head up to the next floor. Judaism Gallery. The first gallery you will come to on the first floor is the Judaism Gallery. This gallery is full of beautiful Jewish artifacts and is a little bit darker to help us protect our artifacts. There are a few films playing to help you learn more about the objects on show. There are also some really cool interactive stations that you can use as part of your workshop. History Gallery. On the second floor is the History Gallery, which tells you the story of British Jewish life. You will see our amazing objects and our pretend kitchen, where you will learn all about what life was like for a Jewish immigrant to Britain in the Victorian times. There is also a Yiddish theatre display where you can pose for a selfie in some of our costumes. Good to note, to save you going downstairs, we also have toilets on this floor. Living Communities Gallery. Also on the second floor is the Living Communities Gallery. You may visit this as part of your workshop. This is a room for craft activities and group work. You may get the chance to practice your calligraphy and even learn a bit of Hebrew. Education space. The other area to explore on this level is the education space, where we keep some of our amazing objects that you can touch, smell, and possibly even wear. In some workshops, you may get the chance to taste food eaten during Jewish festivals. I hope you enjoyed that quick tour with us, and hopefully now you have a clearer idea of some of the fun things you might be doing with us when you come and visit. We're really looking forward to welcoming you to the Jewish Museum London, so see you soon!